Today we're going to cook a Samoan traditional dessert called suafai, which means bananas mixing together with some ingredients, and it's good for breakfast, dessert and snack. We all use that for snack, breakfast and dessert.
So the ingredients you need are banana, coconut cream, tapioca balls, and water.
Some water.
Oh, and you need to mash your bananas and soak your tapioca balls. So we soak our tapioca balls in hot water, hot boiling water, just so they can soften up. You'll know when they're ready because they'll be clear. And then once you finish that, we will mash the bananas. So just make sure you've mashed them nice and fine. So then they'll be good to mix.
So we're gonna put the mashed banana, ripe banana, inside the hot water. Usually we use the pots, but today we're using this wok here. So it's leave it until it's boiled, and then add some more ingredients. So a little bit water to mix with it. This one you don't need the sugar because it's already, it's
sweet. It's already sweet from the bananas.
Yeah. So it's very healthy dessert.
Yep.
We wait until it's boiled.
And it's best to use ripe bananas because they're already sweet.
Yeah.
So it's best to use the riper ones, and they're easier to mash.
Yeah, the very soft one. Yeah.
So this dish is good to eat on cold days, but you can also have it on hot days. Yes.
So we start putting some tapioca inside and continue to cook.
Continue to stir.
Yeah.
You can see it's starting to boil, start to bubble and simmer.
Do you smell that?
Yep. Smell the sweet banana.
So give a good stir.
Stir. While Ty's doing that, I'll just keep adding in the tapioca balls. Yep. So just continuously stir, or else you'll burn the bottom. So if you have a lemon tree at home, you can add the lemon leaves in there, and that will just give off a different aroma. You'll smell it all infused in there with the bananas. And as you can see, it's starting to come along and mix well together. It smells good.
So the tapioca are
starting to clear up and pull through.
Let's see if I can see. So you can adjust like this, add a little bit more if it's very thick. Yeah.
Okay, so now the tapioca is slowly cooked. You can see that they're starting to clear up, become clear. So now we're going to add in our coconut cream. So our coconut cream. Okay, so just give your coconut cream a stir, or before just give it a quick shake, or else you'll find it's a bit cold. And yeah, so we're just going to put in half. So not a lot, just half.
And then stir it.
And then Tai will just give it a quick stir. So just gonna. Yes.
Nice.
A+, Master Chef. And that is our suafai. So Ty's just gonna keep stirring it because our tapioca balls are still a little bit chewy. But other than that, once it's all clear and ready, it's good to eat. So with the ingredients, you don't really need to measure. There's no measurements with the ingredients. It's just a wing it kind of thing. So it's up to you how much you want to use. But just with the tapioca balls, you don't need a lot. So maybe just like a small handful of tapioca balls, just put it in a bowl and then soak it in there with the hot water. But yeah, like I said, everything's no measurements. So go ahead and try it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you will try this traditional dish. Thank you.
Bye.